Hi, and welcome back to Relationship Reset Academy. I'm Michael Flynn, and I've been helping couples navigate their toughest challenges for over 15 years. In today's video, we're talking about something that many couples face but few address openly: what to do when your wife stops sleeping with you. If you're feeling disconnected or confused about the lack of intimacy in your marriage, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down why this might be happening, what it means for your relationship, and how you can take action to rebuild that crucial connection. And make sure to stay with me till the end because I'll be sharing some powerful strategies you can start using right away to reignite the intimacy in your marriage. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on expert advice to strengthen your relationship. Let's get started. First off, let's clear up a huge misconception. If your wife has pulled away in the bedroom, it doesn't automatically mean she's not attracted to you anymore or that your marriage is doomed. There are tons of reasons why intimacy might slow down, and most of them have nothing to do with you personally. But here's the good news: you can take control of the situation and bring that spark back. Let's break this down step by step, starting with the most important one. Step 1. Understand what's really going on. Let's break this down. When your wife stops sleeping with you, it's easy to get caught up in surface-level thoughts like, she's lost interest, or I must have done something wrong. But here's the thing: intimacy is often the symptom, not the cause. To make progress, you need to understand what's really going on beneath the surface. Think about your relationship a year ago, or even 2 years ago. Has life gotten busier? Maybe kids, work, or other responsibilities are taking up all the energy you used to pour into each other. Or maybe there's been a shift in the way you talk, or don't talk, to each other. Those little moments of disconnection can add up over time. And don't overlook stress. Is she dealing with something at work? Feeling burned out from the endless demands of home life? When someone is mentally or emotionally drained, physical intimacy often takes a back seat. It's not about you, it's about her capacity to show up fully in the relationship. This step is all about perspective. Before jumping to conclusions or trying to fix things overnight, take a step back and assess the overall vibe in your relationship. Is she happy? Are you happy? Understanding the context can help you approach the situation with empathy instead of frustration. Remember, this is not about blame. It's not about labeling anyone as wrong. It's about uncovering the root cause so you can work as a team to address it. And trust me, clarity here is half the battle. Step 2. Stop taking it personally. Let's be honest, this is one of the hardest steps. When intimacy fades, it's so easy to think, it must be me. You might wonder if she's lost interest or stopped finding you attractive. But here's the thing: most of the time, her lack of desire has nothing to do with you. Really, nothing. Take a second and think about what she might be going through. Has she had a tough week? Is she under pressure from work, parenting, or even her own personal battles? Women often connect intimacy with how they feel emotionally and mentally. If she's overwhelmed, exhausted, or even feeling distant, her body will naturally follow that emotional lead. Now, here's what not to do. Don't take this as a cue to withdraw emotionally. Don't start thinking, well, if she doesn't care, why should I? That kind of mindset will only widen the gap between you. Instead, shift your perspective. Think, how can I be there for her and show her that I care? You might not be able to fix everything overnight, and that's okay. But one of the best things you can do is take a step back from self-blame and look at this as a partnership problem, not a personal failure. This will set the stage for the steps to come. By the way, if this is already starting to make sense, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Step 3. Build emotional connection first. Here's something most men don't realize: for a lot of women, intimacy starts long before the bedroom. It's in the conversations, the small gestures, and the way she feels emotionally connected to you. If that connection has started to fade, physical intimacy will almost always follow. Ask yourself, when was the last time I made her feel truly seen and heard? Have you been too focused on work, stress, or distractions to really connect with her? It's easy to fall into a routine where you're living parallel lives, sharing the same house but not really sharing your thoughts, feelings, or time. So, what can you do? Start small. When she talks to you, really listen. Put down your phone, look her in the eye, and show her that her words matter. If she's had a rough day, ask questions like, "What was the hardest part of today?" Or "Is there anything I can do to make things easier?" These moments of emotional intimacy build trust and rekindle the bond you've built your marriage on. And don't forget the little things that make her feel appreciated. Compliment her on something you genuinely admire. Say things like, "You've been working so hard lately, and I really respect that." Or surprise her by doing something thoughtful, like taking over a chore she dislikes or bringing her favorite treat home. Remember, when she feels valued emotionally, physical connection becomes much more natural. If you want even more tips on how to rebuild intimacy step by step, visit romancedictionary.com/marriage. There's a treasure trove of advice waiting for you. Step 4. Take care of yourself too. Let's talk about you for a minute. When's the last time you focused on your own well-being? If you're running on empty, whether it's from work, stress, or just life in general, it's hard to bring your best self to the relationship. And let's be honest, confidence and self-care are attractive. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one thing you can do this week to recharge. Maybe it's hitting the gym, getting outside for a walk, or finally starting that project you've been putting off. When you take care of yourself, you're not just improving your own life, you're also bringing a more positive energy to your relationship. And here's another bonus. When she sees you prioritizing your own happiness, it can inspire her to do the same. That creates a ripple effect that benefits both of you. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and that can have a powerful impact on your relationship. Step 5. Make her feel wanted again. Let's talk about something we often overlook, making her feel wanted. Over time, life gets busy, and we forget to show our partners that they're still the amazing person we fell in love with. If you've fallen into a routine, it's time to shake things up. Start with compliments, but make them specific. Instead of just saying, "You look nice," say, "That color really brings out your eyes." Or, "I love the way you handled that situation today. It was inspiring." These little acknowledgments remind her that you're paying attention. Then bring back the fun. Flirt with her like you did when you first started dating. Send her a playful text during the day, tease her a little, or find a reason to laugh together. Humor and playfulness can go a long way toward rekindling that spark. Most importantly, be genuine. Don't make her feel like you're just trying to win her over for physical reasons. Show her that you appreciate her for who she is, her personality, her quirks, and everything in between. When she feels truly valued, intimacy becomes a natural extension of that. If you want even more ideas on how to reignite that spark, check out romancedictionary.com/marriage. It's packed with resources to help you rebuild the connection you're craving. The link is in the pop-up here and in the description below. So, to recap, understand what's really going on, stop taking it personally, build that emotional connection, take care of yourself, and make her feel wanted again. These steps may take time, but they're worth it. Trust the process, and remember, you've got what it takes to turn things around. And hey, if this video gave you even one useful tip, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what resonated with you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Also, check out my other videos. I've got tons of helpful content waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.